Yeah, good viewers. It has been a while. We actually upload videos on our channel, and one of the reasons is that we have been very much busy. For those who have been watching us, you will say that when you take a look at our hatchery, you say we are making use of this two pump, but for now, you can say we have massive something over there, and we have many more. We're still going to set more 20 pumps to make our outdoor production tank to be 40. I told you our target is to be producing 500,000 pieces and above, and one of the reasons why we are doing this is that I discovered that a lot of persons have been having serious challenge in getting viable seed, and I have a lot of clients, and I know you're also part of us, that have been complaining that when the stockfish doesn't grow well. And considering the rate at which everyone wants to be self-reliant, you need to invest in agriculture with the right seed, and that is why we are seriously doing much in production of fish. For some time we have actually been training people, and we are still training, but let me just say, since last month we have actively been involved in one of the biggest hatchery in the nation, in in A2 fish farm. Here we are. Just take a look. For those who have been saying, here is a very massive place, and I'm so grateful to the management that also encourage the vision, and we have set up something that is massive here. We have set up something that is really massive. So I'm going to take you around to say what we have. We have about 4 badges, and these 4 badges, when you put all that we have together, I'm telling the truth, it will be up to 1 million pieces. So let's take a look at this price. These ones, they are a week plus. Take a look. You can see them. You can see how active they are. Doing wonderfully well. Take a look at them. So we have this. We have a duplicate of this. Well, I'm gonna take you around to see. So this badge you are seeing are coming off, and we have the ones that are ready. Alright, come and see this one. You can see them. These ones, they are ready for sale, they are ready to go. We have another set here. You see them, they are ready to go. You can see how massive they are. Here. You still have another badge. You can see how massive they are. All these things you are seeing are fish. They are fish, they are not tadpole. They are not sand. They are fish. So you can see our team members. You can see them counting and sorting this size that are coming up. Here is one of our staff, Mr. Jethro, and a core member with us, Mr. Minu. You can see something great is really happening here. So, well, we're now doing an exhibition to show you our products, our fingerlings and juveniles that are ready. And I'm going to tell you the reason. Just take a look. This is ocean of fish. This is ocean. This is ocean of fish. This is seriously massive. It's all over here. all over here we have different sets that are here, and I'm equally going to take you inside the I'm going to take you inside our incubation section to see what we have. You know, we have a lot of stuff here, and what I'm saying, I want you to work in hand with us. We don't just produce this fish, we equally render quality and positive mentorship guide for those who want to invest into the business, because I actually have a lot of people who have been complaining that they do buy fish that are not growing well, and that is why we want to encourage you, wherever you are in Nigeria, you can work alongside with us to get the best, even in Africa, because you know Africa is our continent and it's our responsibility to make Africa great, especially solving all the problems they say we are having, which I don't know if they really exist. You know, telling us that we are suffering from poverty and the rest of them. So this is one of the means we want to use to empower people, you know, giving them the right product from A to Fish Farm. So I'm going to take you inside. Let us see what we have. One to go. All right, you are welcome to our incubation unit. This is a massive incubation section, and here we nurture our fish for some weeks, and then before we take them out. So take a look at what we have here. You can see them very active, very active. Let me stop the water so that we can see the size. So this one you are seeing, can see where the cluster, take it up. You can see them. All these things you are seeing, they are fish. It's a lovely size. So we have them all over.
We can leave them.
So take a look. They see this one. They show very well. They show very well. Yeah. So we have them here. Come to this side. This is to go out here. So this is another badge we are having. So the water wave is actually disturbing. So we have, come here now. So we have the ones that are just 4 days old. Can you see them? Oh, here is dark, you may not see them very well. So let's go out first. Do you know what? I want to shock you. I want to take you a few trips to where we have our broodstock, so I can see the kind of broodstock we are using to help you know that we are using broodstock, that the genetic attribute is very much good. We don't really want people to have any kind of failure, and that is why we are equally putting our best. This fish we are training here, you can observe, we'll have a rector, we'll have all the kits that are needed to ensure that they are their best of performance. So when they get to your farm, they can give you the best. So let's go to the broodstock section so I can see what we have. So here our spent broodstock. Our spent broodstock are here. When I mean spent, the ones that we have already make use of their eggs are here, and I think one of the male we use is also here. All right, so let's go. All right, you can see them coming.
No, don't disturb them. I want to see their mouth.
You can see they are well loaded. This is one batch. I want to show you another one. Guys, come up. These guys don't want to come. They have been fed, so you know.
See them.
Some of them are coming. So, well, I'm going to show you part of our stripping process. You will see them. So, I want you to know that if you register to be a client in this farm, to be getting adequate supply of fingerling, post or juvenile, you are not going to miss out. And I want you to understand our location is not far from you. We are located along at Agbarho. Agbarho, yes, Agbarho. Agbarho in Warri City. When you get to Warri City, you stop at Federal Junction. When you stop at that Federal Junction, our farm is just by the roadside, you know, along Port Harcourt Express Road. So it's not difficult, it's motorable. There is a very good communication system. So our customer care line is there, fish college line is also there. So and you just have to call across, and it will be wonderful for you to come and just take a look at this wonderful site. This is also a tourist site for you to understand that something great is happening in this country. So it will be wonderful for you to come here to, you know, strike a deal with us to be getting steady supply of catfish. You can see them, they are all out. They are all out observing what is happening. But fish, calm down. We are not feeding you. We just want to tell people how you look like, you know, for them to know that we are using you to give them the best. Okay, we are using you to give them the best. Exactly. So I will employ you, especially those who have been farming before and they are complaining they are not having viable results. This time around, you don't have any reason to fail, because we'll give you a good seed and will equally guide you to have the best, you know, in your farm. Thank you so much. Do not fail to subscribe click on the subscription button to subscribe to this channel to be getting our updates. Fish College love you, we care for you, and we want you to have the best. Thank you so much, and may the Lord bless you. How many minutes? Okay.